currently have reported over 320 cases at Florida because of a new disease named Deadly 29. If you experience these following symptoms, you must go to medical services that are available. The following symptoms are red eyes, dizzy, vomiting blood and aggression. If someone you know shows these symptoms, it is too late to get them to medical services and you need to run away from them immediately. Always wear face mask. We now resume to normal programming.
This is an activation of the emergency alert system. Please pay attention, as it's in life-saving information. A new disease named Deadly 29 is spreading at Georgia. The following symptoms are red eyes, dizzy, vomiting blood and aggression. If you experience these symptoms, please go to medical services that are available. If someone you know shows these symptoms, you must isolate away from them immediately. Please stand by for updates.
Why do I look so dizzy? Why do I look so aggressive? Frick. I look so aggressive. "911, what is your emergency?" My mom got into a car crash. Ma'am, why did that happen? She got so aggressive that she crashed into another car. And then what happened next? She survived, but she got injured. Wait. Wait, she's coming towards me. Oh no! Ma'am, the police are on the way now. Ma'am?
This message is transmitted by the Canadian government. The Deadly 29 virus has made its way to Canada. This virus was originated at the United States of America. If you exhibit these symptoms, you must seek medical attention, as it will save your life from the virus. The following symptoms are dizzy, red eyes, vomiting blood and aggression. If someone you know or love are showing or exhibiting these symptoms, you must isolate away from them. Thank you for your cooperation. We now resume to normal programming.
Ce message est transmis par le gouvernement canadien. Le virus DEADLY29 a fait son chemin jusqu'au Canada. Ce virus est originaire des États-Unis d'Amérique. Si vous présentez ces symptômes, vous devez consulter un médecin car cela vous sauvera la vie du virus. Les symptômes suivants sont étourdissement, yeux rouges, vomissement de sang et agressivité. Si une personne que vous connaissez ou que vous aimez présente ces symptômes, vous devez vous isoler. Merci de votre collaboration. Nous reprenons maintenant la programmation normale.
After the past 5 weeks, cases are rising faster. And it makes its way to Ontario and Canada. We advised everyone on full lockdown on the entire United States of America to prevent the further spread of the virus. And always wear face mask and face shield, and don't forget to wash your hands with soap. That is all. We now resume to normal programming.